Well, GreenSoft basically offers two basic solution packages to address SCIP. One is a turnkey solution where you don't have to use our software. You simply give us your product BOMs. We provide the dossiers, and we could even submit those right to the database on your behalf. That's relatively simple. It takes all the work off of your hands, and it's good when you have a few products to submit. The other one is actually a full service where we actually provide you this software package, and we'll deliver that data right to the software, and you can load the bill of materials yourself. So let's take a look at these. Let's analyze the differences between the two of these. In a turnkey service, you're simply going to provide us your bill of materials. And we're going to take those bill of materials, and we're going to put together a parts list. It's a combination of all the parts on those, and we're going to go to your suppliers. We're going to directly engage your suppliers through direct email and phone communications. We're going to collect all the substance information and all the compliance legal information that we need to provide the output for SCIP, as well as any other regulations that you ask us to collect on. We're going to validate that information. We're going to check it for errors, check it for gaps, and we're going to go back to the suppliers if we find any errors and gaps and assist them in closing those errors and gaps. So we're not just going to open a portal and accept whatever they're willing to give. We're going to directly engage them until we get correct, accurate data from them. Once that's done, we'll roll that up to the product level. We'll issue the dossiers and deliver those to you. Those dossiers will include not only the basic dossiers, the I6Z files, which you can load into the database yourself or provide to one of your supply chain partners for loading, like an importer, but we'll also provide human readable versions of those in HTML or PDF format because I6Z files are not human readable. That's important if you have customers coming to you with surveys to fill out. They send you a spreadsheet to fill out. You'll need that information outside of an I6Z file. You're able to simply produce these, use these snapshots to complete those surveys. Or you can provide the snapshots directly to your customers and say, here you go. We'll provide a due diligence package to you of every document and communication collected throughout the supply chain so you can prove that this data is real. And if you ask us to actually do the submissions on your behalf, we'll also provide you a SCIP submission history report that shows the confirmation from the SCIP database, as well as information on every submission that was ever made against all your products, right? We can also maintain these submissions for you, so if your product changes, you can resend us the and go ahead and validate that to see if any submissions need updates to the database and make those for you. So it's a true turnkey SCIP solution that allows you to do your SCIP reporting in a very easy and cheap way.
Learn more by viewing the full-length video online at greensofttech.com/videos. Plus, learn about our environmental regulation solutions online at greensofttech.com.